so ha e madwema omo a edwene se mi gina hai ye do so wo man we mu a kadwo Mahama ye muni din wo history book mu da
ebusuya wa kwa biam fa bra Ghana nsem TV eso ebusuya mesre se wo be subscribe to channel no e dia mayen se be ye posti ni ma be si a onsa betinya
re Ghana ha unim se senka madwema fo do so ha e madwema omo a edwene se mi gina hai ye do so wo man we mu a kadwo Mahama ye muni din wo history book mu da ka kwa benki e ka omo ma be di president ya ke mfa ni din ka ho nanke ya tu ni din entro nyina eja the kind of entro nyina eja nanke ya nemu ni sa so madwema fo no so ntino ene nyina onipa bi da so di NDC achi ya wo ha John Mahama be kan akoko asem e de kire akuafo se akuafo anya bibia anya hwe kura no nye 600 or 65 million ko 70 million John Mahama ne numa asem wasi akuafo mukoko no ya ntokura no nye 65 million ya wo ha president mu ase panini a Bible aka se wo nkwa na eye duoson abroso a na eduo wotwe na o sa beto ne nsa de afrew Papa John Mahama ne nam 60 something years ti mi hwe Ghana man nyina nim di akohwi fantefo kasa akohwi a entro de kire mpani ne nkwala amadwema fu 20 omonso je na asemudi John Mahama shebo 770 hwanhwani ebo hyenko a John ne nyankopon kro boy ebe wi ase kro be hye sa abo no ono ne bohye ebeduru dia wo hye yi John o kan ya ka so be me de apapon ponchia na pampemu bon na de be ye aduane ama ayi school for o se apapon nam be mu ma kudwem eni empusu emutu fufuo ni empusu mankwale boje so ye John wuntimi nyenti watu tunkwara na to atwene aye ni day by day night by night day by day na sana kufu ado ye day by day no obi ti kumase no anya nkran na wo so nkode no na se afi no ma me ko ha dan e won nkran wonim nkran dan bo John enye ya sa awu enye Ghana fo sa awu na mpanimfo wo fie ni bia na wo nwura mu enye ya sa awu ni yenuane wo ye nyina yenuane wo ye papa no ye bibi anon kwaya wo de ye fa so no enye wo ti 2028 pa no edi asem pa na NDC fo mbesaka besa bi di akohwie ni bi mo na ya na meka me se badwen mafuo ni swa o man ya ma betomu badwen mafuo ni swa se nti na Bible ka se mini suo ti se epoa ka me suo ma me ma se na yo man Ghana wi no to do no ade anya dwuma ti ka eyezi wase eyeza enimrem di akohwie to tonkwara na to atwene basa wa feli wom kakra nso e konso ayu bi ade because of bosha akwashe wom so obemu wom aduane edinti adawroma wom enu wom mali kokoni sa no mu mfanfia de no madwene mu miwai yesraw pa mu enu wom mali kokoni wom ga binsi gobeno a wom madwene mu miwai ya pa wo chewa wadawroma idu besie ya.
All right, ebusuya me say impenifo se o chamia onima semka osna na wasumwa. I've been telling you this, say if in Nyansafo Ghana hanum dosma, there is no way the National Demonic Congress would ever come to power. I'm telling you the honest truth, especially that man, Wale Bamboy John Bosco. That guy, like, he will never be president. But because a lot of people are illiterate, some of them are even educated illiterate, that is the reason why we are where we are today. I'm telling you. And sometimes I sit down and ask myself this question, is say, so on what basis they elect Obi as the president of the country? Because during the campaign time, these people never said anything serious. It was all about Nkobu, Dokuno, Jene, Kobe, money, those stuff, right? Those were the things that they were talking about. Like, those were the things that he was talking about. Valentin Booth, of Mamo Fridge, of Mama Boboya, like, as a presidential candidate. And you could see he was not even serious. Like, all the things that he knew and Onkasana he was even saying showed that he was not that serious, right? But people actually believed in him and voted for him to be the president. And that's where we are today. That is why we are where we are today, because we are suffering today because we made a bad decision voting for someone who is the most incompetent person. He is very, very incompetent. He has never been consistent with whatever he does. He will tell you A today, the next day he tells you B. It was the same person who said Russia-Ukraine war, COVID-19 did not affect Ghana. Then no free Ghana no could drop, she abroad for, and I say, share meeting been abroad for other countries no more. I catch them say, oh yeah, it's affected Ghana. But I cannot abroad for because when you send the party for the baby for. As I say, so drew fear, then or can be before 4 and 3 because in the party no 3 no more. I'm on table for, and that's one of the things that I would debate you every time. Because basically, there is no way the person is going to even understand whatever he is saying. He's not going to understand anything. So the most important thing is that he always lie to them in the language that they understand. What do I say? The language that they understand. And no, just to the true mantra. Understand? And no, just the true mantra. And basically, that is how those people, their mind has been programmed. So we will get there. We will get to a time that a lot of people will be educated. So that's the reason why these people really hated free education, because they knew that if say a lot of Ghanaians are educated and they start reasoning as a normal human beings, there is no way they're going to win power again. That's the reason why Omukuntia the free education to the extent that Omuchanyum Edema as a free education for 419. I know you remember that song, right? You remember. That's the National Demonic Congress for you. That's how they do their stuffs. That is how they do their stuffs. So if these people, we know them, we know what they are capable of doing. I've been telling people several times that we've been no John Dramani, but we are going to make sure that Bibiabe Kama, and that one I will need your help to do it. You need to share this video, you like, you comment, and make sure say video ni beko eche magana fo enhu. His Excellency Bole Bamboy John Bosco Atra Ordinam Ghanaian TV.